Video, I'm going to show you how to add the ability to code with Java in Visual Studio Code, to code and compile and run Java, all in Visual Studio. So let's take a look at how you do that. So if you don't have it already, I'll provide a link in the description, but it's a pretty easy kind of download. I'm using a Mac, and once you download, you just kind of drag the application into your application folder. Then go ahead and just open it up, and you'll probably come to a screen like this. And so we wanted to add the capability to use Java. You're going to have to click on the extensions icon. And when you're in there, you have a little search box at the top here, and you will just type in Java. And the top one here is the extension pack, and so you literally just hit install here and give it a few minutes and let it do its thing. It will probably prompt you, if you don't already have the Java JDK, to install that. It's pretty straightforward as well. You just hit download here, and it's going to download again for a Mac. It's like a package, and just double click on that. It takes about a minute to install. I did notice that when you come back to this page, you may need to kind of get out of it. It doesn't refresh automatically, but if you go back to your extension, so this is the interface for installing the Java JDK. You just kind of go through these steps, and that will install it. But then when you come back, you'll notice that you'll have all these extensions installed. Just by installing that one, it kind of gives you this whole package of them. So that's awesome. It means you are ready to go. So to get started coding in Visual Studio Code, you create what's called a folder. If you don't already have a folder designated, you can just click on the add a folder. If you already have one, you can click open to open a folder. But I'll assume you don't have one, so you hit the add folder, navigate to where you want that folder to be, and then you click new folder here, and I name this one Java Code, and just hit it and just select it add to add that folder to there. It is there. So that becomes kind of like your workspace folder for a project, let's say. And so just for the sake of demonstrating that the Java installation worked, we can click on this little plus icon here to create a new file, call it hello.java. I have a link that I'll provide to simple hello world code for Java. And all you'll do next then is you have that hello world code in there. You just click the little play button. You may get some messages your first time using it, but ultimately it should display your hello world, and you can use this for doing all your Java programming. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. You know what, here I'll show just a kind of quick. This is actual VS Code with Java running. There's that hello world code, and yeah, I'll just kind of click on that, and you'll notice it spun it up again, and there's my hello world. So yeah, it's a great program. I love VS Code for the ability to be able to program in multiple languages, kind of a one-stop shop. So I hope you enjoy it too.